Okay, so all you have to do is come here, copy your affiliate link like that, paste it on a site like this, and you can literally start to generate income every single day like clockwork. Look, if you want to learn exactly how you can promote affiliate links for free online to make 10K or more a month, even if you're totally brand new, this video is for you.
Wow. So how did we get here? I'm over on YouTube. I'm just like you. I'm always looking for ways to learn how to promote my affiliate links. So I go to YouTube and I type in how to promote your affiliate links. This is the video. The video that you just watched, that's the introduction. Secret method, $10,000 a month. How to promote affiliate links and make 10K per month. Super easy. And then here's a little breakdown of the chapters as Google sees them or as YouTube sees them. And you can see that this video dives into, once it gets past the sensationalism and the fast-paced, exciting video, it actually dives into some interesting detail, and that's what I want to talk about. So inside this video, once we get past, it takes about 3.5 minutes to get past the sensationalism of the fact that you're going to make 10K a month super easy, but then it mentions an AI writing system or copywriting AI with predictable results. It's this product called Anyword.com. But before we get there, I want to break down and show you, or I want to take a few minutes and break down how to do a little more research when you see these types of videos, when you're trying to learn how to promote your affiliate links. So this is inside of ChatGPT. I called VoxScript and I simply said, summarize this video and tell me the super easy secret method for making 10K per month by posting my affiliate links, and I posted in the YouTube video. So what this does is it breaks down the noise, or it separates the noise of this video. You saw the introduction of the video. You see the point of the video. The reason that this video exists is to get 232,000 views in a year because of the sensationalism of the video. So watch the video, but it took 3.5 minutes to get to the video, and I'm going to break down these nuggets for you. But I want to give you everything that you need for you to be able to do this yourself, to break down the noise or to silence the noise, figure out what's missing and the things that you need to know to take action on this advice. So the video, How to Promote Affiliate Links and Make 10K per Month Super Easy by Garrett Berry, shares a straightforward method for promoting affiliate links to generate significant monthly income. Here are the key steps. His first step is find an affiliate offer. Well, okay. He says to go to Digistore 24, and then he says start generating content using Anyword. Then format and finalize the blog post. This was one of the things that he mentioned. Copy the generated content into a Google Doc, and in the video, he sensationalized this as copy and paste in a Google Doc, and that's how you're going to make money. But the real place, or where the actual method starts, where you're posting your affiliate link, is publishing the content on platforms. Upload the blog post that you generated with Anyword.com, essentially AI, and then you formatted inside of Google Docs. Then the next step is to publish the content on platforms. Upload the blog post to platforms like vocal.media and medium.com. This is where I want to break down what this actually is. You head over to Anyword.com and you see this is a AI writing platform. At this point, you know about AI and the fact of what it can do. If you want to check out Anyword.com or Anyword.com and go to their pricing, it starts at $39 a month all the way up to custom pricing. And it's an AI writer specifically for marketers and freelancers. I don't have a problem with this, and I appreciate the fact that Garrett has given us this tool, and it's one of the things, or one of the gold nuggets in this video. If you can get to the 3.5 minute mark past all the sensationalism, and you can do that, again, by going to ChatGPT and letting ChatGPT break this down for you. And you could do this with my videos too. This is why I'm showing you this. But then understand that you need this tool, or he's pushing you towards this tool. For example, I use a tool here in my case study or my AI blog. I use a tool called Koala Writer. Koala Writer, you can start for free. It has a little bit cheaper plan, and its focus is creating SEO content or SEO content for blogs. It starts at $9 a month. Now, you probably need the professional plan if you're actually going to use it to write 100,000 words per month, because you need to generate a lot of content. And that's one of the missing pieces here. When you go back to this video and at 3.5 minutes, you get into the idea of you're going to use this tool. Then without watching the video, you go back and you look at the plan. His plan first is to find an affiliate offer, which if you watch my channel, you know that I say start with traffic first, which gets down here to the point of publish the content on platforms. Publish the content on platforms. This is where most of the time needs to be spent in that video. And the reason I'm making this video is so you understand that uploading blog posts to platforms like vocal.media and medium.com, there's a very specific type, or this is a very specific strategy. It's a very specific type of content that you're creating for these platforms, and you're doing it because you are going to use a mechanism or a strategy called parasite SEO. Now, parasite SEO usually gets a bad name, and you can see right here the little devil. Like most things in life, parasites are not for everyone, but to be serious for a moment, there are a few core parasite SEO concepts from Authority Hacker. Ahrefs says Parasite SEO Explained, it's not always evil. Now, Ahrefs is a tool that SEOs, people that want to create content and rank it on the internet, use to do keyword research. You should check out these articles and you should understand what Parasite SEO is if you want to go back to this video, if you want to follow what is being taught in this video. What is being taught in this video is Parasite SEO, but it's being presented in a way to promote affiliate links and make $10K per month with fast-paced editing, promising $10K a month. Even if you're totally brand new, this video is for you. And then, again, it takes 3.5 minutes to get to that fact. So I'm showing you how to break this down, and I want to share that with you because I want you to understand that now, if you want to go down this path of utilizing SEO or parasite SEO, which is not a bad thing, but you're going to see the majority of people do it with Ahrefs. And Ahrefs starts at $129 a month, which prices most people out of what they want to do. So when I talk about my strategy for generating traffic or promoting your affiliate links, I talk about creating content here on YouTube. And this is my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap. But the proven strategy that I utilize, the top strategy, traffic, offer, people. It's generating traffic by picking a topic and then understanding the tools, the technology, and the time. And Parasite SEO is one of the technologies and the tool sets or the tools to actually do Parasite SEO, not in a bad way, not churn and burn, not black hat, but then understanding that you need to create consistent content on the platforms that were mentioned by Garrett in his video, which is the gold nugget. Publish the content on platforms, vocal.media and medium.com. Because medium.com, here's the May traffic sites from SEMrush. It gets 223.38 million, 230 million visitors per month. It has an authority score of 98. That's what they mean by parasite SEO. You are using the authority of medium.com to post content to get found on Google. It's just like here on YouTube. I post this video on YouTube. Garrett created his video and posted it on YouTube because we're utilizing the platform, because people come here and they search this platform. In this case, you're posting content that if you created your own blog, you would never be able to get, or it would take a long, long time to get to an authority score of 98 to rank for certain keywords. So with that said, you take the time to understand what parasite SEO is and the strategy. Again, go to Ahrefs and understand what parasite SEO is and read and understand, is parasite SEO an unethical black hat tactic? It actually breaks down examples, a black hat example, a gray hat example, and a white hat example. Reasons and ways to actually do parasite SEO, which is what Garrett is talking about in his secret method to 10K a month. So my point is, take that back to my top strategy. The first thing that you need to do is generate traffic. Now, Garrett talked about finding an offer over at Digistore 24, but that is the second step. First, you have to pick a topic. Before you start promoting affiliate links, you have to understand what your topic is. You have to understand that you're promoting a solution, or a product that you're promoting is a solution to a problem. It's something that you are providing as the ultimate solution, so they'll click on your link. But you do that by picking a topic. Then you understand the tools, the tech, and the time it takes to get to step 3 to generate consistent content, and then be able to say, now I have traffic, then I can find an offer, and then ultimately I'm going to build an email list to promote more offers and build more trust and rapport with my audience, or the people that are interested in this topic or interested in the fact that I can help them solve their problem. So we go back to the video, and we took the video, we watched the video, we weren't overpowered, or I'm trying to show you this so you won't be overpowered by the 12 minutes and 42 seconds. And when it actually gets into the meat of the video and it starts actually talking about the sites, for example, he shows vocal.media, but Medium is way more powerful. Medium.com is a way more powerful site. And of course, we broke this down in the chat. So we're going to focus on Medium.com at this point, and I want to show you an example. This is my Medium.com account for 30-minute marketing. I published 6 articles. Back in 2019, before I dived and went all in here on YouTube, I decided I was going to go and work on Medium.com. Of course, you can see here that I did not follow through, but what I want to show you from me learning and understanding and me being able to come here on my YouTube channel and explain this video or this concept of promoting your affiliate links utilizing Medium.com is, if you were to take one of these articles, for example, how to profit from PLR content, which is private label rights content, you may or may not know what that is, but understand this is a very niche topic, or this is a topic inside, or this is a subtopic inside of a topic of affiliate marketing using private label rights content or getting licensed for content that you can reuse. If you were to search for how to profit from PLR content, and remember, I published this article on 2019, if you were to go to Google and search for how to profit from PLR content, you're going to see the search lab results, or the AI overview. But check out the snippet. The snippet. This is the piece of content that Google says is the #1 piece of content on the internet about how to profit from PLR content. It's Medium.com. It's not my article. This article was published in 2020. My article was published in 2019. So the recency of this article beat out my article. And most likely, this person over at Medium, Buy Quality PLR, is focused on a very, very specific topic of PLR. So go back to my top strategy and forget about offer and people for a minute, and let's just talk about traffic. You can see that this person has decided to focus on a very, very subtopic, or a very, very sub-niche of a topic, and talking about PLR, but creating consistent content, or focused on the fact that if you go back to Medium and I'm going to focus on PLR and I'm going to write a new article and I go search for how to profit from PLR content, I know that Medium already ranks for this. I can instantly use Medium to promote PLR products if I wanted to promote those as an affiliate utilizing Medium, because Medium does allow you to post content or post affiliate links inside of your content. But understand, this is not a secret method. It's just being presented that way. But there is a lot of great information in here. You just have to understand that you have to break through the noise and get to minute 8:55 or 9 minutes before he actually shows you the strategy to generate traffic, which is the most important thing. Not picking an offer, because the offer comes secondary for the fact that you are going to go all in on vocal.media, or you're going to go all in on Medium and you're going to create content utilizing an actual strategy that you know works, which is my proven strategy of traffic to an offer and then add people to an email list. And then just saying, you know what, I'm going to come down here and focus on my topic, and I'm going to get consistent by posting on Medium.com. And then I'm going to own, for example, this example, I'm going to own PLR, all PLR keywords, or this keyword, how to profit from PLR content. I'm going to own that because Google loves Medium.com. Medium.com has a high authority score, and if you post content you can utilize parasite SEO, this tactic, this tool that is a real thing, and you don't have to do it in a black hat way. You don't have to be evil about it. You don't have to churn and burn people. You can actually create helpful content, and it's going to rank on Google, because you can see right here, this is the very first, this is the snippet, this is the information that Google thinks is the most valuable information about this keyword. So go back to YouTube and keep doing your research about how to promote your affiliate links. But just understand, anytime you want to break down any of these videos, pop over to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT summarize the video and the strategy, and then go about it by understanding that now you know you have been given a proven strategy that you know works, because I do it every day. And then you can break it down and say, you know what? I need to generate traffic. How do I generate traffic with this method? I need to create consistent content and post it on that platform, because I am focused on utilizing the strategy, this tactic, this technique, and I'm going to do it in a way that is going to work in a long term, or in the long term, looking at the long-term horizon of how long this is going to take me, 6 months to a year, no matter what platform you pick, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, building your own blog, 6 months to a year. If you're doing content marketing, these are just the facts. It's how long it takes. You have to go all in. You have to learn and understand, and you have to focus on creating consistent content. So if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments about this tactic of using medium.com and parasite SEO. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you thought about it. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.